So coming on influenza. Influenza causes epidemics and pandemics very frequently. It's a virus well known for causing epidemics and pandemics. Influenza virus. Morphology we don't learn. Not my way of learning morphology. Where is influenza? You search. Here is influenza. So is it DNA or RNA? Say ma'am, it's RNA. Which family it belong? Orthomyxo. So where is orthomyxo coming? Orthomyxo is enveloped or not enveloped? It is enveloped. So it's RNA. It belongs to orthomyxoviridae. Write down orthomyxoviridae. Okay, and it is surrounded by envelope. But on the envelope, the point is that it is having two papillomers. Okay, yeah, one more thing before coming on the papillomas. See its nucleic acid, something unique. See the RNA. It is RNA, I agree, but RNA is not in one piece. The highlight is that RNA is not in one piece. Appreciate where is RNA? Where is the RNA? So RNA is in how many pieces? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The RNA is in 8 pieces. So it is a segmented virus. It is a segmented virus. I taught you very well in microbiology last year. There are 4 viruses which are segmented. Orthomyxo is one of them. The mnemonic for them is Bora, B-O-R-A. Bora ka O hai ye, which is having 8 segments. You get MCQ. अब ये MCQ, if you wish micro का मान लो, if you wish PSM का मान लो, जहां से मानना है मान लो. लेकिन this MCQ comes in your competitive exam. Okay, so influenza virus is a segmented virus. It is having RNA, but RNA is not in one piece. The RNA is in 8 pieces. 8 pieces. Yes. Okay. Now on the envelope, it is having 2 papillomer. Can you appreciate the 2 papillomer? HA and NA. HA, NA. HA, NA. So this is HA. This is NA. This is HA. This is NA. What is HA? Hemagglutinin. What is NA? Neuraminidase. Okay. So both are papillomers which are present on the envelope of influenza virus, but the point is that it is pleomorphic. It is pleomorphic. They keep on changing. Okay, you will be saying ki ma'am, HA or NA was present in mumps also, but in mumps I taught you, no, it's there. Yes, in orthomyxo as well as paramyxo. Mumps was paramyxo. Okay, influenza is orthomyxo. In both of them, HA and NA is there, but in paramyxo they are stable. In mumps they are stable. Antigenically they are stable. But in orthomyxo, that is influenza, they are pleomorphic. They keep on changing.